Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Tupperware Facebook Live. I'm Paul, your host.
I'm Chef Anna, your culinary specialist. Hi, Paul, and hi to all of our viewers.
So good morning, Chef Anna, and once again to our loyal viewers. So guys, hindi natin namalayan, we're halfway through 2021, and we're glad that the vaccines are coming in. So kahit pa paano, we have that hope na siguro in the soonest of time, ay magkakaroon na tayo ng herd immunity against the virus. Pero syempre, we continue to encourage you, to practice and observe safety protocols. Of course, washing of our hands, wearing of mask. So syempre, huwag natin kalimutan gamitin ang ating Tupperware barrier face mask. And of course, to actually distance ourselves para nga we have that protection or we have that prevention against acquiring the virus. At syempre pa, kung wala naman po essential po na magiging labas or gagawin, better to stay at home, so stay safe and keep safe po at home. At para po sa inyong lahat na namimiss na ang pagkain sa labas, sa inyong mga restaurants, dahil nga po 20 to 30% lang po ang maximum seating capacity at bawal nga po ang dine-in, take-out lang po tayo given na we're back to GCQ. Sagot na namin ni Chef Anna ang inyong recipe sa pagkainan.
Yay, that's true, Paul, because what we're going to share with you is a Korean dish. Who doesn't love anything Korean, ba? I myself, talagang Korean, fanatic of Korean, K-drama addict ako, to be specific. And Korean restaurants and Korean grocery marts are everywhere. Pero sabi nga ni Paul, it's best to stay at home and let's replicate or recreate these dishes at home like this easy bulgogi recipe that we are going to share with you.
So I'm so excited, Chef, because today we're going to showcase to them one of the most innovative Tupperware products that I'm sure all the nanays, titas, cooks out there will surely love.
Yes, Paul. So let's get started kasi this recipe, this easy bulgogi recipe, needs some marinating para naman the flavors mag-develop siya. So to start off, I'll be using our 2-liter mixing bowl. Now, this is really nice because this is a versatile bowl. It's great for mixing and also especially kapag nag-bake ka because of its concave shape, very optimal siya for mixing.
Ayan, Chef, so nabanggit mo nga, we're using the mixing bowl 2-liter. And ako I'm surprised kasi nga, di ba, common notion natin in the kitchen, pag sinabing mixing bowl, pang baking, well, apparently, we can use po the mixing bowl, especially the 2-liter size po, for actually mixing sauces and liquids. And sabi nga ni Chef, maganda siya for prepping, so pwede natin ihanda ahead of time because of it's again another durable and reliable po na storage container. Tama po ba, Chef?
That's correct, Paul. It also comes with a round seal. Alam naman natin kapag Tupperware round seal siya, it has the best sealing and conservation properties. And the size is very compact and very handy, okay? So, ganito gawin natin. Using your mixing bowl, nilagay natin yung mga ingredients. The bulgogi recipe is very easy. Parang you just have to marinate it. Tapos, pwedeng like minimum for an hour or 4 hours. Then, you can easily cook this na. Itong gagawin natin is easier version dun sa mga busy moms, busy cook, or yung mga busy working from home. So basically, you just need a tablespoon of light brown sugar. Okay, yung sugar sa ating bowl. Meron ako ditong Korean red paste. Kapag wala kayo nito, you can use red chili flakes. Pag this one naman just add spice. Then, like 3 cloves of chopped garlic and like a half tablespoon of ginger minced. Your mixture natin is not, medyo semi-dry siya. Kasi, ano naman siya yung cut ng beef na pinili ko is medyo manipis, so mas mabilis siyang ma-absorb. Then, a tablespoon of sesame oil. Then, you will also need some spring onion. Actually, spring onion, dinuway ko siya. You remove the green parts and the white part. Yung white part, hahatin sa ating pangpapad. Okay, mix muna natin siya. Guys, yan. Okay, give it a good mix. Naamoy ko dito yung sesame oil. Talagang distinct yung kanyang flavor, yung kanyang smell. And then, dito po, no, because we are going to use the newest Soy Server Set, di ba? Ang ganda. It's very, very elegant. Okay, for our last ingredient, I'll be adding siguro mga 1/4 cup ng ating soy sauce. Konti lang. So, tatansyahin ko na lang. Kasi konti rin naman yung gagamitin natin. And it has a nice air channel. So, parang smooth yung kanyang pag-pour doon sa ating bowl. Okay, we'll just mix this. Then, saka natin ilalagay yung ating beef. So, you can use sirloin or ang tawag dito, TuppLive or sirloin, pwede rin. But what I'm using is sukiyaki na medyo manipis. So, iniba ko yung medyo version. Manipis para mas mabilis kumapit yung pagbabat natin and para mas mabilis din siyang maluto. And para hindi tayo prone na medyo tumigas yung ating beef. So, I'm just going to add here to our mixing bowl. Then we are going to mix this. Tapos you have to set this or to marinate this for a minimum of 1 hour or 3 hours. Tapos ready na siya for frying. Back to you, Paul.
So there you have it nga guys. No, we just witnessed Chef Anna demonstrating to us our newest product, which is the 2-piece Soy Server Set. So the 2-piece Soy Server Set comes in 2 sizes. So the bigger one is actually 770 ml capacity, while the smaller one naman po is 570 ml capacity. So as you notice, ang ganda ng design, very modern and elegant. So another welcome addition po to your kitchen countertop. So both as pang-decorate po aesthetically, and then as function naman po, maganda po talaga siyang containers for your liquids and sauces such as nga yung mga oil, yung mga soy sauce po, yung mga thin syrup po, na pwede niyo pong in-house using our 2-piece Soy Server Sets.
So ayan, what I have here is a pre-marinated beef na. So mas maganda, of course, the longer you marinate this, mas kumakapit yung flavor. So, ang ganda ng mga sinabi ni Paul. Just to add, the Soy Server Set is, you can actually operate it in one hand, easy one-hand opening, and curving body niya. So you can easily pour on your pan. So syempre, pag ginagawa ka, usually one hand lang free, diba? So just pour this in our preheated inspired fry pan. Burn lang natin. And then we are going to fry all of our beef until it's cooked through.
So what I love about our new 2-piece Soy Server Set is yun nga, unang-una, ang kanya pong cover is actually a dripless cover with spout. So bakit po dripless? If you notice by experience, pag nag-transfer po tayo ng liquid po, especially like oils, soy sauce po and vinegar into another container, chances are hindi natin namamalayan, nagdi-drip na siya sa kamay natin, sa mismo bote, nag-relieve na po siya ng stain sa pinaka-base. Nalalaman lang natin siya after doing the act po. So in our with our 2-piece Soy Server Set po, wala pong ganun. It's mess-free kitchen and counter tabletops po kasi nga because of its innovation of the design po of the cover, it prevents yung spout actually helps enable us to do dripless transfer of liquids. Yeah, so wala na po tayong kailangan punasan every after use, which is actually encouraging contamination and bacterial growth. Yan. Yun din po pag-pour, the act of pouring po, because of the design po of the spout, very continuous yung flow ng liquid because of yung even po yung airflow niya. So unlike yung mga usual na containers na makikita natin, chances are nagpuputol-putol po yung kanyang pag-transfer from one container to another. And of course, the cover actually has this silicone gasket. So ano po yung role ng silicone gasket? So pinapakita ni Chef Anna kung nasaan yung silicone. Yan po yung white under the screw cap cover. So it actually helps maintain po yung pagiging airtight and watertight po niya para it aids po ng pagiging spill-proof po ng ating container. So maliban nga sa screw cap na po yung ating cover. Yung body, na if you would notice, no, it's made of polycarbonate material. So it's really glass-like. Kaya sabi nga ni Chef Anna, no, maganda itong addition to our kitchen or countertop. Kasi nga, aesthetically pleasing, kita niyo po yung contents, no? Ang ganda po ng shape, no? Yung kanyang silhouette. And at the same time nga, no, it gives you the premium feeling. Aakalain mo talagang glass siya. When in fact, it's actually polycarbonate material. And best of all, no, it gives us a gauge. Kailangan ko na bang dagdagan? Kailangan ko na bang mag-refill? And best of all, it actually encourages us to be sustainable. Bakit ko po nasabi? No? Again, no, with the big capacity of the 570 and 770 ml, no, it encourages to buy in bulk or yung malalaki pong volumes like 1 liter or 2 liter. And all you have to do na is to actually dispense, no, isalin nyo po sa ating Soy Server Set para again, it manages, no, your budgeting. So hindi po tayo bumibili ng sobra, hindi na tayo nagkukulang, hindi na tayo napapatakbo ura-urada po sa grocery. So that actually minimizes nga unnecessary and unessential travel given nga po, no, we're still on GCQ and that exposes us, no, to the virus. So maiiwasan po natin yan. And no, to know more about the variety of features and benefits and to better appreciate the product, let's all watch this video.
I'm almost done cooking our bulgogi. So basically, when you cook bulgogi, it has different variation and different styles. So mostly, they grill this. If you have an outdoor space, it's also nice if you grill this after marinating. Or yung pinakita ko sa inyo is the easy version because you just only need it to stove top frying. And the procedure is actually made easy because ang galing talaga ng soy server natin, no? It's very functional, it's elegant looking, and ito yung mga magandang investment, especially, if you guys less yung cleaning, less yung mess sa countertop and table, diba? So it's really nice if you guys can get this soy server set. So in a few seconds, this is done. What you can actually do is, meron ako dito spring onion, diba? I mentioned kanina na you leave the green spring onion. So you just sprinkle this on top. And to give this more flavor. So this is really ideal to serve it with white rice, if you have a kimchi, or kahit green lettuce if you don't want mag-carbohydrates. Diba, Paul?
Ako, chef, mapapalaban na naman ako sa kanin yan. So good luck again sa diet. No? So guys, there you have it. Ang galing talaga ng ating newest innovation for Tupperware, which is our 2-piece soy server set. No? So kagaya na nabanggit ni Chef Anna, it's actually your epitome of beauty and function kasi it's a nice addition to your table, especially nga po kung nagsaserve po kayo, no? Yun ang mga sauces and condiments. So napakaganda po addition, no? On top of your usual flower vase, of your candles, candle holders. Actually, maganda, chef, pang tablescape. It's another accessory. Ayan. And there you have it, guys. No? So ano pa po ang inyong inaantay? So go purchase your own 2-piece soy server set right after this episode. And guys, no, we continue to invite you to actually follow us on our social media accounts. Please like us po on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, both are at Tupperware Brands PH, and we're also on Twitter at Top Brands, that's TUPP Brands PH. So this has been Paul, your host. Thank you once again, Chef Anna. Maraming salamat po. And we'll see you once again in another episode of Tupperware Brands Facebook Live. Bye for now!
Bye. Bye, Paul. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Chef!